Hi, this is Beamer. He's named Beamer because his eyes are just beautiful, and he is got nothing in him but love and the desire to give it and receive it. He's been in bed rest for the last 3 weeks, 4 weeks actually, because he fell off of a cabinet in the cottage, and he fell on something and he didn't fall right. Anyway, he injured his spine, and he was completely unable to use his back legs, so he was just dragging himself around. Anyway, there was no brakes or anything, so we just gave him meloxicam shots and put him on complete bed rest. And just the last, I guess about 4 days ago, he started standing a little bit on his back legs. And now he's able to stand on both of them. Come on and walk to me, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, Beamer. Come on. And so you can see he's walking. He is still not quite got all control, but he's trying. And he stays up now more than he's down. So please send your love to Beamer, that he continues to get the use of his back legs back and has his normal cat agility back soon. Love you, Beamer.